My blender blades are spinning, but not any blending.
What's the brand and model of your blender? How old is it?
Whirring 34BL87.
How long has this been going on with your blender? What have you tried so far?
One day. Try tightening.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Blade is new. 5 months old. Whirring blender blades are spinning but not blending.
Hello, I am Anna. I will be your technician today. Bear with me while I read the question and try to answer it. Thanks a lot for your patience. If the motor works well, but the blade doesn't seem to break down the food, you may have a loose drive stud. To tighten it, you just have to remove the base and flip the blender upside down. You'll see the drive shaft protruding from the motor's bottom. Grip that shaft with pliers or a wrench and turn the blender to its side to attach another wrench to the drive stud inside the base. Hold the drive shaft, underside of the motor, steady and turn the drive stud, inside the base, clockwise to tighten it. Sometimes, you'll notice a rounded corner drive stud. If this happens, you'll need a new drive stud. You can reverse the above instruction for tightening to remove the old stud and then install the new one with the guidelines mentioned above.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.